Alright, you can see on our Sundance Spa it says change filter. So we're going to press the menu button until we get to FC. Then we're going to hit the up arrow. And it's at 0. We're going to go down, change it to 180. You can disable this, but I wouldn't recommend. And then to save it, you hit the pump 1. Goes back to filter change, and we should be all set here once this goes back to the menu. Alright, now our Sundance Spa says change water. So we're coming over to our menu here, and we're going to arrow to H2O. Then we're going to set it to 180 or 90, whatever you want. Then we're going to hit pump 1 to save it. And as soon as the menu times out, we should be back to the main screen. And it shouldn't say change water anymore. Just give it a minute here. Alright, you see the change filter is gone, but now we have to change the Clearray. So we're going to basically do the same thing for Clearray. And we're going to keep doing this until all of our errors are gone. And keep in mind, if you set it to 180, you're going to have to do this every 6 months. So in this video, you saw that we had to change our filter, we had to change the Clearray bulb, and we had to change the water. So we reset those all to 180, and now here we are back at our temperature screen, which is where we want. So we're all set. It's that easy. Hope you found this informative and it works with your spa. Thanks for stopping. Check on back for other tips.